subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Now the next question is, a study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million of a certain city. एक सर्वे कंडक्ट किया था, एक स्टडी कंडक्ट की गई थी कि एक सिटी के अंदर सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड की प्रेजेंस कितनी है एयर के अंदर. So the frequency distribution table obtained for 30 days is as follows. 30 days का अगर frequency distribution table बनाया गया, so this is the frequency distribution table given to you. So you have to use the table and find the probability of the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval 0.12 to 0.16 on any of these days. आपको randomly अगर हम एक day select करें तो क्या probability है कि उसमें concentration 0.12 और 0.16 के बीच में आएगी, ये चेक करना है. So first of all, by looking at the table, आप ये चेक करोगे कि 0.12 and 0.16 वाला जो ग्रुप है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी है. So from the table we notice that there are 2 days out of 30, क्योंकि total 30 days का हमने स्टडी कंडक्ट किया था. So there are 2 days out of 30 in which the concentration of sulfur dioxide it lied between 0.12 and 0.16 parts per million. Parts per million में हमें ये given है. So total कितने days हो गए 2 and जितने days का हमने survey conduct किया था वो है 30. So the probability that we are supposed to find out, we have to find the probability if the concentration is between 0.12 and 0.16. So it is equal to 2 upon 30. Further solve करने के बाद we get 1 upon 15.